Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get into your BMW X5 when its battery is dead. First, find the small mechanical key hidden inside your key fob. This is your essential tool for manual entry. Insert this key into the driver's side door lock cylinder. Give it a firm turn counterclockwise to manually unlock the door. This simple step bypasses the electronic locking system, allowing you to gain access to your vehicle. Now that you are inside, your next step is to open the hood. Look for the hood release lever, which is typically located in the driver's footwell, often near the door sill. Pull this lever firmly until you hear the hood unlatch. Then, proceed to the front of the vehicle, lift the hood, and secure it safely using the prop rod. This gives you access to the engine bay. With the hood open, you need to locate the jump start terminals. Look for the positive terminal, which is typically covered by a red cap or marked with a plus sign. The negative terminal is often a metal post or a designated ground point on the engine block. Make sure both terminals are clean and free of any corrosion or debris to ensure a strong, reliable connection for jump starting. Finally, it's time to jump start your X5. First, connect one end of the positive jumper cable to your X5's positive terminal. Then, connect the other positive end to the donor vehicle's positive terminal. Next, attach one end of the negative cable to the donor vehicle's negative terminal. Connect the remaining negative end to your X5's negative terminal or a good ground point. Start the donor vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes before attempting to start your X5.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.